Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Wava.AI. Let's get started. First, open your PC and search for Wava.AI. This is the official Wava.AI website where you can access the tool. And here, click sign up to create a free account or log in if you already have one. You may need to verify your email to activate full access. And here on the dashboard, choose what you want to create, like text story videos, short viral clips, or faceless reels. Wava uses AI to turn text prompts into a video content. You can type or paste your video script or prompt into an input area. This can be a short story, narration, or text that you want the AI to animate or turn into a video. You can customize auto voiceovers and put captions, and also put background clips and music. And click generate if you're done, and wait for the few moments, and you'll see the preview of your AI generated video. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.